Hello everyone, this is Dr. Gitanjali Verma. I'm working as a medical officer at CHC Jwalapur. I did my MBBS from VCSG Government Medical College batch 2017 and I completed my internship in 23 only. So it's 6th of December, and yesterday only a notice came claiming that tentative date for NEET PG 25 is 15th of June. So, since very long, I wanted to make such videos because I wanted to share my journey, my experience with all of you, and wanted to contribute in guiding all those who are preparing for NEET PG 25, INS SET, or FMG. So, it's been 3.5 months since the result came out, and I secured rank 7220. I was thoda sa sad because I worked really hard, but to be honest, exam was very hectic for me. It was very very tough, and I was giving my exam in second shift at Delhi, and I remember it was raining like anything. Roads were blocked. There were so many people who missed their exam because of this struggle. We all were allotted our centers at very far places, and climate was pathetic. Roads were blocked. It was raining, and but the thing is, कि at least I got a decent rank, and I'm allotted Ops Gynae, MS Ops Gynae at GMC Kota in round one. So hoping for upgradation in round two or round three. Let's see what happens. But at least I'm out of this preparation phase. To be honest, exam results are shocking for each and everyone because nobody was prepared for this concept. It was totally new. We were told that it is happening with us just 1 month before, and exam was conducted in two shifts. Each shift was divided in five blocks. Each block with 40 questions, and you cannot go to the previous block. So it was totally different, totally new, and then normalization came. तो पता नहीं तो क्या ही result बना है. So since many many months ago, I started filming myself as if I have already gotten a very decent rank, and I am no longer working as a medical officer at these extreme rural mountain areas, and completing my bond. So मतलब basically it's a phobia for me. मतलब मैं पहाड़ों में ऐसे it is just so scary. Extreme पहाड़ों में no. Also, I have a past because we belong to village, and we shifted here, and I did my schooling from Hindi medium till 10th because my school was up to 10th only. Then I shifted into English medium, and it was very very tough for me to sustain there and to study physics, chemistry, bio, and do good in boards. But I comparatively did well, and then I went to Kota, but I wasn't able to crack NEET UG. So my father said कि चल कोई नहीं, do BMS at least, you'll be a doctor at least. But I was extremely unhappy there because somewhere my heart wanted to study all those MBBS books as if I belonged there. So I was extremely unhappy there. सो आई केप्ट ऑन ट्राइंग बट हो नहीं रहा था. थोड़े बहुत नंबर से रह जाता था. तो आई रिमेंबर 2016 में आई वेंट टू एलन कोटा, एंड माई ब्रदर वॉज प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर मेडिकल देयर. I felt like something is missing in my life. I'm not happy and I cannot compromise. I am not able to compromise. So, for the last time, I gathered all my courage, and my mother helped me in this like anything. I remember she made me sit and ask, hey, what do you want to do? You will not be able to stay happy with BMS. So go for it, do your best just for the last time. So I skipped my internal exams, and I studied just for 1 month. 1 month, 15 hours a day, and I did nothing other than previous year questions. I remember I just studied NCERT bio and previous year questions only, and I got selected in Government Medical College in Uttarakhand through state counseling. तब से लेके अब तक it's a 10 on 10 feeling because जो चीज़ as a kid you loved, you imagined, you also doing, you're living that life. But I didn't want that to be repeated with my PG attempt, that I'm attempting and preparing and attempting and preparing. It's a task, it's a struggle. I wanted that I do my best in a one go. Tried an internship also in NEET 23, got 40,000 rank. But when my internship was about to end, I lost the track because my internship duties were hectic. I was posted in medicine and surgery, so it wasn't possible for me to do my best. I was desperate to crack NEET PG 24, so I was filming these small clips of me and was building this video in my head, like this is how I'll be editing and all. But somewhere along the way, when NEET PG postponed it and then preponed it and then again postponed it 10 hours before exam, I had extremely bad days. But I never stopped because deal was to take my preparation till the last day, kabhi last hour. I mean, I am extremely attached with this preparatory phase of mine. Whenever I look back, I get amazed ke, yeah, from 1st August of 23 till 11th August, total 1 year, and I studied like crazy. So I feel like I have a right now to upload a video saying all this, as I'm allotted Ops Gynae in GMC quota in round 1. I mean, I'm out of this preparatory phase. After radio, I always wanted a surgical branch. And Ops Gynae for me is like a perfect blend of OT plus OPD plus scanning and lots of diversity. So yeah, I am grateful for the fact that somewhere past me imagined and pictured all this and it has come true. And I want to share this journey with all of you because by no way it was possible without my strong will, my dedication, my planning, my hard work, and of course, luck, love, and blessing. I think I'll be doing a series of videos about how I went from all this torture and uncertainty by NB and gaining 10 to 12 kg in 1 year. And I still remember in last 4 months I pushed myself like crazy, and especially it was very tough after 23rd June postponement, just 10 hours before exam, वरना इतनी भी रैंक ना आती. So this is to motivate every one of you and to answer all the doubts about how you can be an average mediocre student and do good enough to crack this exam. So yeah. So from August till November INS set, I was mainly studying at night only and used to sleep and eat दिन में, and I was totally cut off. किसी से कोई बात नहीं. फ़ोन अपना मेरे रूम में नहीं रहता था, किचन में रहता था, और टैब में मैं अपना सिम डालकर आई यूज़ टू use whenever I need Google and all, and whatever internet activity I needed, I used to do that from my tab only. And after INS set, I realized whatever mistakes I did in past, from August till November INS set, I tried to correct them and tried to do ऐसी तैयारी जिसमें मेरे मतलब मैं सिर्फ मेहनत ही ना करती रहूँ, मैं सही दिशा में तैयारी करूँ. तो दैट वाज द गेम चेंजर. बाकी अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, this NEET PG preparation has a very different trick for each and every subject. So I'll be definitely making some videos about each and every subject individually in 2 or 3 videos. So see you all in my upcoming videos. Bye bye.